Product Revenue Analytics dashboard designed to monitor target versus revenue insights. It delivers a solution to provide holistic insights to visualize precise revenue performance with detailed revenue metrics. The Product Revenue Analytics dashboard demonstrates powerful ways of interacting with your data and developed key-oriented metrics with meaningful details. Revenue Summary displays overall details of all report pages. It examines profitability of revenue versus target. It shows trends among time, customer, supply place and items. Revenue Performance Insight. Analyze revenue versus target and achieved percentage by time, supply place and by salesperson. Revenue Growth Insight. Get analysis of the revenue versus target metrics at an overall and detailed levels. It analyzes revenue forecast and growth insights by supply place, salesperson and customers. Salesperson Insights. Examine overall details of salesperson. What are the revenue by time? And what are the top and bottom salespersons? Items Insights. Monitors revenue by items, top and bottom items by revenue and time-based item-wise revenue. Supply Place Insights. It allows you to view revenue, change and growth percentage by place of supply, also used to view time-wise supply place and their revenue. It shows top and bottom place of supply by revenue. Customers Insights. Analyze revenue, change and growth percentage by customer, also shows top customers by time. Customer Performance Insights. Monitors customer performance. What are the positive customers that having good performance in last month as well as customers left and not purchase and details of new customers with their revenue. Invoice Insights. It analyzes customer-wise revenue, customer-wise number of items to purchase, and invoice details. It displays invoice by revenue and number of items. Top and bottom performing. It displays top customers, items and supply by revenue. User redirects on bottom page by clicking on Click to Bottom button. User can view number of top or bottom views by clicking on Top Count filters. Thank you.